Hey guys, MonkeyBoo and Pete here, and today we have a very special treat for Boo. We got some of his favorite, oh yeah, you don't even know what's in there. You're all excited. You might think it's food. It's not food. This is something he loves to play with. We'll let him open it up. What you got, Boo? Some of your favorite toys. What you got? Oh, a screwdriver. Boo loves screwdrivers. Come on, man, keep looking in here. See what else in there. Some pliers and another screwdriver, so you can look. Well, if you're gonna take your pliers apart, you do it. Look, let's see what else you got. I got some things in here I need you to fix for me, Boo. Look. Here's. Fix this. Fix this one. All right, Boo. Good job. Take it apart. Hurry, fix it. You're really smart, Boo. Can you fix this one? Put your pliers to it, Boo. Those, you look dangerous with those, Boo. Fix this. Look, fix this right here for me. I know you can. Can you fix that? Fix it for me. Good job. Get my shoulder. Good boy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next video. Tell them bye, Boo. See you later, guys.